Hi guys, this is Victor with DIY Time Tech, and today I'm working on this Epson portable projector with the lamp light blinking red, indicating that the lamp needs to be replaced. To replace the lamp, first we'll need to take out the plastic cover held in place by one Phillips screw. Next, we're going to remove two more Phillips screws, securing the projector lamp. Now you should be able to take out old projector lamp. Next, we're going to install a brand new lamp. I picked this one up for $25, and if you're interested, I'll post a link in the description. Next, we're going to secure two Phillips screws. And finally, we're going to reinstall the plastic cover. That's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.